I'm just checking that I'm now on the radio station in Radomir where your girls were born. Just to show you how it looks like. And here is one cute. Hey! Babushka? Куда улетит? Куда улетит? Baby? I cannot see because of the sun. Okay? It's a cute thing. Hey, baby. Hey, you cute face.
Вот тебе скучно. А вы?